Hello dear students, today we will discuss about the important topic of chapter 1, mole concept. As you already know about some explanation of mole concept in your previous class, and what is the application of mole concept also you have already studied in your previous class. But now here we will discuss about definitions of mole concept, different applications of mole concept in detail. So first we will discuss about the different types of definition of mole concept. How can we explain mole concept? What is means of mole concept, etc. And what is the application of mole concept also. In detail we will study about the application of mole concept also, because for numerical point of view this topic is very important. It is very important for your board syllabus. It is very important for competitive exams also. So first we will discuss about the some basic definitions of mole concept. Actually, mole is a type of Greek word, means heap or pile. Mole means heap or pile. It means heap or pile. Heap or pile. And this term was first time introduced by Ostwald, a name of scientist. This term was first time introduced by Ostwald, a name of scientist. Ostwald, a name of scientist. First time this term was introduced by Ostwald, a name of scientist. As we already know that for counting number of articles, for counting books, etc., we use dozen, grass unit terms generally. These terms are used to become counting easy. In similar way, for counting of number of ions, number of electrons, number of atoms, number of molecules, number of protons, number of neutrons, etc., chemists introduced a type of term that is known as a mole concept. This term was introduced for counting different types of chemical species like atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, protons, etc. If we are going to explain about the mole concept, then it is known as a, or we can say that it is defined as the number of atoms which present in 12 gram of C12. 1 mole is equal to the number of atoms which present in 12 gram of C12. That's why we can say that. That's why we can say that. That's why we can say that 1 mole is equal to the 1 mole is equal to the number of atoms, number of atoms present in 12 gram of C12. 1 mole is equal to the number of atoms present in 12 gram of C12. It was experimentally found that 12 gram of C12 contain 6.0 contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. it was experimentally found if 1 mole is equal to the number of atoms present in 12 gram of C12, and this will be equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, which is equal to the Avogadro number. 6.023 to 10 to the power 23 is known as a Avogadro number. So 1 mole is equal to the R. Mole is defined as the number of atoms which present in 12 gram of C12, and it was experimentally found that number of atoms which present in 12 gram of C12 is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. 1 mole is equal to this much. 1 mole is equal to this much. That's why we can say that 1 mole is equal to the 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. 1 mole is equal to the 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. 1 mole is equal to the 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. So dear students, you should keep it in mind, 1 mole is equal to the 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Particles may be atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, protons, etc. Means ki if you are going to say that 1 mole of electron. 1 mole of electron means what? 1 mole of electron means if you are going to say 1 mole of electron, 1 mole electron means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. 1 mole electron is equal to this much electron. 1 mole oxygen molecule, 1 mole oxygen molecule means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of oxygen. 1 mole hydrogen atoms means it contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, etc. So 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles, or we can also say that masses of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles will be equal to 1 mole. Masses of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles will be equal to 1 mole. So we can also say the masses of this much particles will be equal to 1 mole. Dear students, you should keep it in mind. Okay, so you should keep it in mind. If masses of this much particles means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles will be equal to 1 mole. Now we will discuss about the other definitions of mole concept, that is a with respect to atom, that is with respect to molecules, with respect to volume, etc. So first we will discuss about definition of mole concept with help of atom. Help of atom. Now we will discuss with respect to the atom. With respect to atom. With respect to atom, gram atomic mass of any atom will be equal to 1. Gram atomic mass of any atom will be equal to 1. So we can say gram atomic mass of any atom will be equal to 1 mole. Gram atomic mass of any atom will be equal to 1 mole. Gram atomic mass of any atom will be equal to 1 mole. Means if hydrogen atom is taken, then it contains 1 gram. If oxygen atom is taken, then it contains 16 gram. ठीक है, नाइट्रोजन एटम इज टेकन, इट कंटेन 14 ग्राम एंड दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 1 मोल. तो ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एनी एटम विल बी इक्वल टू 1. ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एनी एटम will be equal to 1 mole. Means gram atomic mass of any atom is equal to 1 mole. So with respect to atom, this one is definition of mole concept. Now with respect to molecule, if we have taken molecule, then how can we explain about the mole concept? With respect to molecule, with respect to molecule, gram molecular mass of any molecule, gram molecular mass of any molecule will be equal to 1 mole. Gram molecular mass of any molecule will be equal to 1 mole. So gram molecular mass of any molecule will be equal to 1 mole. Gram molecular mass of any molecule will be equal to 1 mole. Dear students, you should keep it in mind. Gram molecular mass of any molecule will be equal to 1 mole. Okay. Now, for example, if oxygen molecule is taken, if O2 molecule is taken, so it contains 32 gram, H2 contains 2 gram, and 2 contain 28. So gram molecular mass of any molecule will be equal to 1 mole. Gram molecular mass of any molecule will be equal to 1 mole. For example, like O2 32 gram, gram molecular mass of oxygen molecule will be equal to 32 gram. If hydrogen molecule is taken, H2 molecule is taken, means ki if oxygen molecule is taken, like O2, so it will be 32 gram, H2 will be equal to 2 gram, and 2 will be equal to 28 gram. So this will be equal to 1 mole. Gram molecular mass of any molecule will be equal to 1 mole. Dear students, you should keep it one. Now we will discuss about the definition of mole concept with help of compounds. There are different types of compounds we know. That's why if you are going to explain definition of mole concept with help of compounds, then we can say that gram formula mass of any compounds will be equal to 1 mole. Gram formula mass of any compound will be equal to 1 mole. That's why we can say that gram formula mass of any compounds will be equal to 1 mole. With respect to compound, gram formula mass of any compound will be equal to 1 mole. Gram formula mass of any compound will be equal to 1 mole. Dear students, you should keep it in mind. Gram formula mass of any compound will be equal to 1 mole. For example, if carbon dioxide is taken, if CO2 is taken, carbon dioxide is taken. So carbon dioxide have a gram formula mass 12 plus 16 into 2 is equal to 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. Similarly, if sulfur dioxide is taken, so sulfur dioxide contain 32 plus 16 into 2 is equal to 64 gram. So here with help of formula, gram formula masses are 44, 64 gram, and this one will be equal to 1 mole. This one will be equal to 1 mole. So gram formula mass of any compounds will be equal to 1 mole. For example, if glucose is taken, like C6 C6H12O6. So then gram formula mass of this compound will be equal to 180 gram. So gram formula mass of any compound will be equal to 1 mole. Dear students, you should keep it in mind. Means ki molecular mass of any compound with help of formula is a formula mass. That's why molecular mass with help of formula of any compound will be equal to 1 mole. Dear students, you should keep it. Now next one is the definition of mole concept with help of volume of gaseous molecules. With help of volume of gaseous molecules, how can we explain about definition of mole concept? We will discuss. If gaseous species are taken, then how can we explain? Now, for gases, mass of any gaseous substance in 22.4 liter will be equal to 1 mole. Mass of any gaseous substance in 22.4 liter will be equal to 1 mole. Mass of any gaseous substance in 22.4 liter is equal to 1 mole. Mass of any gaseous substance in 22.4 liter will be equal to 1 mole. Means ki whatever mass of any gaseous substance present in whatever volume, but if you are going to calculate mass of any gaseous species in 22.4 liter, then that will be equal to 1 mole. For example, if carbon dioxide is taken, if CO2 is taken, if carbon dioxide is taken, then what happens? If in 11.2 liter of carbon dioxide, mass is equal to 22 gram. If in 11.2 liter of CO2, mass is equal to 22 gram, then what is molecular mass of carbon dioxide? So how can we calculate? In 22.4 liter, of CO2, mass will be equal to 11.2 into 22.4 is equal to 44 gram. This will be equal to 44 gram. So in this way, 44 gram will be gram molecular mass. 44 gram will be gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide. So dear students, you should keep it in mind. With help of volume at STP, means ki 22.4 liter, we can calculate mass present in 1 mole. So this one is the explanation or definition of mole with respect to the volume of gaseous substance. And dear students, you should keep it in mind, at STP means standard temperature and pressure, volume of any gaseous substance will be equal to 22.4 liter, or it will be equal to 22400 mm. It will be equal to 22400 mm. This one is the volume at STP, standard temperature and pressure. And one more important thing you should keep it in mind, as a unit, mole is written as MOL. Means if you are going to express molecular mass of oxygen molecule, then it will be equal to 32 gram per mole, like this. as a unit, mole is written as MOL, not MOLE. It is written as MOL, MOL, not as a MOLE. It is written as MOL. It is written as MOL. So dear students, you should keep in mind these things are very, very important. That's why you should always keep it in mind, because these things are generally used in application of mole concept. So this one is about the definition of mole concept. Now one more important thing we should know, that is how can we calculate number of moles. What is formula for calculation of number of moles? Now how can we calculate number of moles? How can we calculate number of moles? Calculation of number of moles. Calculation of number of moles. If gram mass of any species is given, means ki if mass of any chemical substance is given, then number of moles is equal to N is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Means कि if given mass is small w and molar mass is capital W, then N is equal to small w upon capital W. This one is the number of moles with respect to the given mass of any chemical substance. And if number of particles are given, if number of atoms or number of molecules or number of ions or number of electrons are given, then how can we calculate number of moles? So number of moles is equal to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. Given number of particles upon Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So there are two types of formulas, and with help of these formulas we can calculate number of moles. One is given mass upon molar mass. Molar mass means mass of any chemical substance in 1 mole. Mass of any chemical substance in 1 mole is equal to molar mass. Okay, so given mass upon molar mass, and second one is the given number of particles upon Avogadro number. This one is the, these are ways, and with help of these two formulas we can calculate number of moles. For example, if you are going to calculate number of moles in 22 gram of CO2, then what happen? N is equal to 22 upon 44, because molar mass is equal to, molar mass of carbon dioxide is equal to 44. So it will be equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Number of moles is equal to 0.5. ये कितना हो गया? This one is the 0.5, means half mole. 22 gram of CO2 contain half mole. Dear students, you should keep it. Now next thing, next topic we will discuss in next video. Means कि in next video we will discuss about the some numerical problems based upon mole concept. Thank you, dear students.